From the company Cent King, 4G network, data plan excluded. You have a HD 1080p camera, 32 gig SDXC card included inside the package, supports up to 120 gig, can be viewed anywhere. Great for farms, warehouses, sites, construction sites, and more. Anywhere that you do not need Wi-Fi off of the data network. T-Mobile, Verizon, and more. Opening up the package, we're going to show you what you get inside, how to set up the application, and briefly go over it in detail. We have a solar panel. It's nicely packaged and protected. Pull out of the sleeve and can be hung up to 10 feet away. You have the tripod mount, gimbal-like. It locks onto the solar panel after hooking up to an area. Screw down in the back, locking down and holding into place. Inside is your camera. Please remember to peel off the protective film around the camera's lens. You have the hardware for the tripod and the hardware for the camera. You have a Type-C cable for the camera to charge via a brick, optional. And you have an instruction guide to go over. And a reset pin. On the bottom is the IP-rated door that you could slip the cable through when hooking up to the solar panel, or for the first time charging, plug in and turn on the switch to the on position and allow the unit to charge. Dual antennas that lift up 190 degrees or more. Pan, tilt, swivel 350 degrees, 90 degrees down. The wall mount could be hooked up on the wall or the ceiling with the holes, and could be placed up and the camera could be tilted down. Inside the door is your SIMS card, 4G network. Carefully leave in. When pulling out, you're able to slide out. That is the card. And it has a slot that slides in. And a reset button located over here. To reach the reset button, you're given a reset push pin. You can either push or press. Your lens, PIR sensor, infrared and LED, and microphone. Close all doors for IP rating. On the back is your speaker. Your antennas on top that rotate 190 degrees or so. Open up iCam 365, sign up, register, log in, and follow the instructions that are provided. You can get the QR and the application in the manual. Hit the plus, follow the instructions, scan the QR symbol on the camera, and the device is activating like that. If the camera does not start within 5 minutes, please shut off.
Please export it to our cameras.
Press the button inside, and the camera will calibrate and start to connect. Re-add. Long press the reset button. The above operation has been confirmed. Next. Scan the QR symbol again on the top of the camera. Added successfully, just like that. Set a name.
Device added successfully.
Complete. And install in a location you desire. You have successfully installed your camera. This is the cam. You could set things up by hitting the set gear. Camera is at 50%. The details, the battery statistics, sleep setting, voice setting, share, video record setting, picture, lighting, and memory card of up to 128 gig. We'll look at the battery status. We could put the camera to sleep, a sleep setting, 5, 10, 15 minutes. We have voice settings. We could set a volume and a microphone. We could share the camera to different people, and video recording 10, 20, and 60 seconds in 1080p or lower video resolution. We have a picture setting so we could take pictures, we could rotate the image and display the contents. If we scroll down further, we have a notification to the smartphone, a PR detection setting, high, moderate, low, off, a humanoid filtering on and off. We can restart the device and have the indicator light on or off, and more settings, a time zone, and so forth. Press on the picture, it opens up. It offers information and tips, and you can scroll down, up, left, and right. Test 1, 2, 3. We'll activate your microphone, and now you can say test 1, 2, 3, and you have reverb because the phone is near. You have live feed and you have SD playback. You have a battery indicator, support, mute, video, photo, FHD, and rotate the screen. Pressing on, you see the items on the bottom. If you want to adjust the camera, you could do so here. Those are just some of the features and functions of your wireless data security camera. With the light off, you can see right where my index finger's at, a blue indicator. We have here is the light settings, intelligent, infrared, and full color. As we disconnect our camera, we have an internal battery that will run for hours on end. Find a spot you're going to hook up. Place your solar controller panel to the sun. Spin on. Adjust and lock down. Find a location for your camera. Adjust your antennas and plug in your cable. Run them through the hole and secure it to the panel into the main frame and seal the doors. You have successfully installed your camera in a location and adjust via a smartphone. We have our camera looking down and we need now to adjust it to the angle. As it takes some time to get to the camera. Well, we got the device up and running and we're able to move the camera. And we're able to see what's around. And if we need to talk, we could hit the two-way button and converse if somebody's at the door or property. Security camera works. It's Wi-Fi data. Check online about the product and what you are after in your security system. So if you're looking for the Set King HD 1080p 4G data security camera, infrared, daytime, nighttime, color at night, anywhere you want to put the camera and share it anywhere in the world, video and capture photo. I hope you enjoyed the setup of the camera and what it's about. The Set King HD 1080p data camera information can be found online and about the product. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.